Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the beacon in Subnautica 2. The beacon is a useful tool that lets you mark important locations around the world, making it much easier to navigate and find places you've discovered before. To use it, you'll first need to unlock its blueprint. For the first fragment, head southeast from your life pod, just to the left of the Welcome Center. There you'll find this ravine. Swim down to the sandy bottom and you'll spot a beacon fragment. Pull out your scanner and scan it to unlock the first part of the blueprint. For the second and final fragment, head south instead. This time passing to the right of the Welcome Center. You'll come across a debris field with scattered wreckage. Look behind this torn metal sheet and you'll find another beacon fragment sticking out of an opened crate. Scan it to complete the blueprint. Once you've learned the schematic, return to your base and open your habitat builder. You'll find the beacon under the utility section. Build one, place it wherever you need it, and you'll be able to mark important locations for easier navigation later on. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.